Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting episode on the channel. Today we have got some thrilling news in the world of cryptocurrency. Coinbase announces partnership with Integral to introduce advanced trading features. Cut to a split screen with Coinbase and Integral logos on one side and a dynamic trading interface on the other. Coinbase, your favorite cryptocurrency platform, has joined forces with the Integral, a leading technology provider in the financial markets. Show snippets of traders using the Coinbase platform. What's in it for you? Enhanced trading like never before. Quick transitions showcasing faster trade executions, smoother user experience, and improved liquidity. Say goodbye to lag and hello to lightning speed trades, but that's not at all. Switch to images of happy Coinbase users. Coinbase is committed to giving you the best tools in the crypto world. Cut to the Coinbase and Integral logos because innovation is the name of the game. That's it for today's video, so don't forget to like, share for more exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching us.